here's the procedure how to make a DIY life jacket.
Here are some of the importance of life jacket.
Wearing a life jacket is critically important for a variety of reasons. Anything can happen when sailing or water skiing, and it is important to be prepared at all times.
A life jacket can easily save your life if rough weather or high wind sends you into the water.
Life jacket helps us to stay afloat and prevent from drowning.
Life jacket keep you warm if you're stuck in the water awaiting rescue.
And that's our vlog for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.